Hi, somebody left me a message on one of my videos asking how to cut it, and they actually use the United States in a circle, so I use the United States in a circle. How to cut these states out and cut everything else out, just have what's in the circle. I don't really know why you would do that, but we're going to go with that. So the map is grouped together. So I'm going to go up to arrange power clip and place inside frame, and you get this. Now, that's not the best way. It is the quickest, probably. But I've had some people in the past say sometimes their laser and their settings will actually engrave this. The only thing good about this, you can, after you're done, you can still move the map around and edit the power clip. The next one that doesn't always work all the time is to select the map, hold down the shift key, select the circle, or either one, it doesn't matter what order, you've got two objects, and go up here to back minus front. But if there's some strange lines in your drawing, you're going to get that. Probably my favorite one is the intersect tool. So I'm just going to grab both the map and the circle. I'm going to go to intersect. I've got my nudge distance set really high, 30 inches, so I can nudge both the map and the circle down. This will be by far the easiest, and probably the cleanest. If all else fails, you can always use our friend, the Smart Fill tool, and just Smart Fill, hold down the right arrow key and move it over. And you could do all the, whoops, I hit that one twice. And of course, this is going to take a lot of time, but it does work. And it's just basically showing you that it can work. And you can actually see what you're doing. There's a little bit of that state there. And that's actually Mexico, but we need to add it. And there's a little bit of Nevada we need to add. And there's a tip of Texas. But you've got it done. And then you can just grab this and left click, right click, and you've got the same thing. So, and then the least one that you'd want to use, but if all else fails, you can use the virtual segment delete key and delete the outside lines of the map. And it didn't really take that long. You know, if something did happen and you just couldn't do it any other way, normally the circle will stop the cut. I'm having something going on because this thing keeps clicking. I need to probably click off that. That's what it was. I had that line clicked and it was virtual segment delete key was going, what's going on? This does take some time, but if you need it, it's great. I use the virtual segment delete key all the time. Pretty much any line it touches, it cuts. And there's a lot of other things you could do, but I'm pretty sure there's just 5 ways to do this. And I don't know why I'm taking your time to do this, but just to show you it can be done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.